Good morning, children. I hope that you are all good and safe. Now we are going to see an interesting story. Before going to story, shall I ask one thing? Okay. What is meant by honesty? Honesty means truthfulness. Do you have friends? Okay. Who is your best friend? How do you feel when your friend is dishonest? Here, one man had taught his friend a lesson in honesty. The name of the lesson is The Mice That Ate Balance. The mice that ate balance. Let's see the story. Once upon a time, there lived a wealthy merchant named Jiva. Jiva was a merchant. Wealthy means rich. Merchant means trader. His village was on the bank of river. Once due to heavy rains, the river was flooded. Many people and cattle died. The crops and the houses were destroyed. What is the meaning of destroyed? Damaged. Jiva had to suffer heavy losses in his business. He lost his all wealth due to heavy rains. So he decided to go to town to earn a lot of money. He had a heavy iron balance. He couldn't carry such a heavy thing to a town with him. So what did he decide? He decided to give his friend Janak. Janak was his friend. So Jiva went Janak's house and gave the iron balance to him. He told to keep it safe with him till he returns. Janak agreed and got it from him. Jiva said thank you and left for some other distant town. Distance means far away. Janak kept the iron balance safely. A few years passed by. By this time, Jiva had earned a lot of money. He returned to his village and went to his friend Janak's house. Janak was happy to meet Jiva. Both they talked for hours. When it was time to leave, Jiva asked his iron balance. Suddenly, Janak looked sad and said, "Friend, I'm sorry to say, I don't have your iron balance." Jiva was shocked and asked him what happened. "There are a lot of mice in my house. They ate up your balance." Jiva was shocked and surprised. He couldn't believe this at all. Jiva planned to teach him a lesson. He said, "Never mind, Janak, let us forget about it." Janak was happy that Jiva believed his words. While leaving, Jiva said to Janak, "My wife has made delicious sweets. Could you please send your son with me?" Janak asked his son to go along with Jiva. Janak's son did not return for a few hours. So he went and asked Jiva about his son. Jiva told, "While I was coming, a big eagle swooped down upon him and carried him away." Swooped means dive. Janak shouted, "How can an eagle carry a young boy?" The argument turned into fight. What is meant by argument? Yeah, quarrel. The argument turned into fight. The matter had to be taken to the village court. The judge listened to both the parties and ordered Jiva to bring Janak's son to the court, or else he would be sent to jail. Then Jiva answered, "If mice can eat an iron balance, why can't a bird carry away a grown up boy?" He narrated the whole story to the judge. The judge warned Janak and asked him to speak the truth. Janak felt sorry and returned the iron balance to Jiva. Jiva returned the boy to Janak. Janak was happy. Jiva said, "My friend, I was trying to teach you a lesson in honesty." He took the iron balance and went. Okay, children, I hope that all of you understood the story, isn't it? Okay. What did you learn from this story? Yeah, don't cheat others. Be honest. Okay, children, I'm going to ask few questions. You have to read the questions and write the answers in rough notebook. Are you ready? Okay. Why did Jiva decide to go to the town? Refer book page number 19. Why did Jiva go for Janak? Second question. Why did Jiva go for Janak? Third question. Who are the friends in the story? Last question. What is the moral of the story? Okay, thank you, children.